place, no, third place, third place. Third place gets a constellation prize.
Okay. Parting gift.
Holly, she's wasting my time to play it.
Ella?
No, it's time to go. We're not waiting.
Wasting my time to play.
They're right here. Ella?
That's brilliant.
You have to announce it. You get third place.
You get third place.
And a beautiful antique car. Thank you.
All right. Look at all those prizes.
Let's go.
Oh, almost.
Fab
Me is
girl.
good. Oh, Maxwell,
You get-
almost ready. Can you wait?
Second.
Maxwell?
Second place.
Awesome. So you get this lamp and this delicious little pastry. Thank you. Goodbye.
Fabulous. And the first prize.
And first place winner of the Silver Fashion Trophy, best fashion show ever, is Pamela.
First place.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Everything else on the table is yours, including the table. The table.
I hope you have someone to carry it for you.
And this amazing statue we thought was so awesome.
Wow.
Thank you all. Can I get my winner's picture now? Gotta hold the fashion trophy. And it's a little trophy, but come on. Alright, now we have to go to get the winner's picture.